guys, this is Shawn from AV King. We've just opened up our DJI Spark Drone. So we have the RC remote control here, and we have the drone here, and we've got the battery pack in the back. Now we just had a little bit of trouble getting it all started connected, so we thought we'd make a video. So to get started, you want to come down here, check this out. We go into the iPhone Wi-Fi settings here. So we have Wi-Fi here. Actually, we'll turn this on first. So press twice and hold, and that'll get it started. Turn your Wi-Fi on, and then you wait for the RC Spark to pop up. So it's just starting now, and any day now it should start. There we go. Oh, it's already connecting. So we've connected to it there.
And the default password is 1234 1234.
And so we go open up the app, and while that's opening we can start this. Press hold, and you hear the fan start up on that one. And we may as well chuck this in here.
You need to have the RC and the drone within 30 centimeters of each other for them to auto connect once you've paired the RC controller to your phone. And there we go, we're live.
Let's take off, shall we?